Hello everyone, myself Gopal Krishna. I have secured 265th rank in this year UPSC Civil Service Examination. You are watching me on Delhi Knowledge Track. Today I'll be sharing few tips regarding prelims. This was my fourth attempt and I have cleared all the 4 prelims. So it's my due that I'll share some strategy and tips regarding prelims. Prelims, as you all know, it's a different ball game. It's a one-day examination. And like if you see, it is not only a test of knowledge, it's a test of your mental caliber. Out of 100 questions, I always used to give this example to my friends as well as my juniors also. If you want to compare prelims, you can compare it with Rahul Dravid. The way he plays, that's how you should take prelims. Out of 100 questions, there will be 50 to 60 questions like which most of us will be knowing. That's the usual deliveries, that's the loose deliveries the bowler will bowl. Rahul Dravid definitely hits them to boundaries. Next comes the 20-30 questions which forms the crux of the issue. Those 20-30 questions will decide your fate. It will decide whether you are writing mains or not. Those are like good deliveries which you have to play very carefully. And those who are prepared for more than 1 year, I am pretty sure they will be marking them with accuracy. Then comes the remaining 10-20 questions which need some extraordinary skills and which need some luck, element of luck also. So those 10-20 questions, I would not say like those questions has to be handled very properly, like very carefully. The way Rahul Dravid plays the unplayable deliveries, he just leaves them, he just respects them. That's how you should play give the prelims. Coming to the sources, like most of us will be knowing the sources, but I'll just brief them though. Regarding current affairs, there are so many websites which will be updating the current affairs. For example, Insights on India, Vision IAS. Other than that, like the basic source, the reference books like for polity, Lakshmikant, for history, you have Bipin Chandra, and for modern India, you have Spectrum Publications, art and culture, Nitin Singhania. These things I'll be sharing, and you can just write me through to my mail, that is, I'll be sharing. And then apart from this, prelims, the main thing is you need to give a lot of mock tests. Mock tests plays a very crucial role because it helps you to know how to approach the paper, how to attempt the questions, and how to avoid silly mistakes. This forms like very important part of prelims preparation. So I would say like you should give at least 50 mock tests before writing prelims. This will avoid a lot of silly mistakes, and I'm emphasizing it again and again. Like mock, it's as it says, it's a simulation. Like it's a simulation like where you will be taking the examination very seriously, similar to your mains exam, the real examination. So I would say mock plays a very crucial role. Enroll to any one of the test series and give them with utmost sincerity and utmost severity. That's it. I would like to conclude by saying God help those who help themselves. Thanks for listening. Subscribe and keep watching Delhi Knowledge Track. Thank you.